If you're running a 12-valve Cummins on your RV or Fummins swap, this is the manifold for you. This is the diesel power source high-flow two-piece exhaust manifold designed specifically for the 12-valve Cummins, making it the perfect upgrade for RV and Fummins applications. The two-piece design allows for expansion and contraction, which prevents warping, shrinking, and cracking. Comes with pre-tap ports for pyro or pressure gauges. This manifold is a direct replacement for the restrictive industrial-style manifold, and it bolts directly up to the stock or any T3 turbo. This high-flow design significantly reduces EGTs. It also has a divided twin-scroll manifold, which keeps the front 3 and the rear 3 cylinders separated, allowing for faster spool-up and more efficient turbo response. It also is finished with a durable protective coating. This manifold is built for reliability, performance, and long-lasting life.